Hello, my name is Marvin Michel from the Rosen team at Sirhan, and I'm excited to show you the newest addition to Crown Heights. Come view this amazing opportunity today. This apartment features an abundance of natural light from its gorgeous west-facing windows. This kitchen has been immaculately renovated with beautiful centerpiece island that completes the whole look. The building features stunning original detailing from the cast iron doors to the magnificently carved ceilings in the lobby, reflecting its rich history.